A Dave account can only be fully deleted after all balances are cleared and any active subscriptions or advances are closed inside the system. By the end, you'll know exactly what blocks account deletion, how to prepare your account for removal, and the exact steps to close it inside the Dave without getting stuck halfway. The first requirement is clearing your account balance. If there is any remaining money in your account, the system will not allow deletion until it is withdrawn or transferred out. That includes pending transactions that haven't fully processed yet. The second requirement is closing active advances or outstanding payments. If you have an active cash advance, the system keeps your account open until that balance is fully settled. This is because the account must remain active for repayment tracking. Subscriptions inside the app are another block. If your membership is still active, the system will continue billing you, even if you try to delete the account. You need to cancel the membership first, so no new charges are created during the closure process. Once those conditions are cleared, you can start the deletion process. Open the app and go to your account settings section. Look for the option related to account closure or support access, since deletion is usually handled through account settings or support request flow. If the delete option is not visible, you need to contact in-app support. Support can manually process account closure after confirming that your balance is zero and no active obligations remain. After submitting the request, the system may take time to fully process the closure. During that period, the account may still appear active while final checks are completed. It is also important to remove any linked bank accounts or payment methods if the system prompts you to do so. This helps prevent future transactions or reactivation issues. If you are deleting the account due to technical issues or fees, make sure to download or save any transaction history first. Once the account is closed, access to records may be limited. To sum it up, account deletion requires a zero balance, no active advances, and no active subscription. The fastest fix is clearing funds, canceling membership, and then requesting closure through settings or support. The next step is to open your app and check your balance and subscription status, so you can complete the prerequisites before submitting a deletion request. Like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of banking app settings that usually feel hidden, but are actually straightforward once you know where to look.